Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are about to learn how to use AI to generate these flat images and then convert them into a vector form to create a pattern in Adobe Illustrator. So without wasting my time, guys, let's jump straight to the tutorial and create this particular pattern right over here. Okay, here in Illustrator, we will create our artboard, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then after that, we click on create. Okay, so after creating the artboard, what I use to generate the images is Microsoft Bing AI. That is what I use to generate the images. So as you can see, this is the image 1, 2, and then etc. All right, so how do we convert these images into a vector form in Illustrator? All right, so first of all, what I'll do is to bring this particular image right into Illustrator and then leave it on the artboard or the workspace. Okay, so after leaving it there, what I'll do is to go to Windows, click on Workspaces, and then look for tracing. After locating tracing, what I'll do is to select the image that I posted on the workspace and then look for trace or image trace, then click on default. Okay, so as you can see, it converted or it traced the image into black and white. Okay, so let's get rid of the white background. So to do that, we'll go to image trace and then we'll click on advanced, then we will locate ignore color. All right, so when we do that, sometimes the black is too much for the design or for the work. Normally what I do is to decrease the threshold to 121. Okay, so that we get a perfect work. So as you can see, there's no background attached to the image. So after that, you come back to properties and then click on expand. All right, after expanding, right click on it and then select ungrouped. Okay, so this is how it will be. All right, so select it and then select each design one by one. Okay, so right now I'm done with the selection. Make sure I delete the rest that I don't like from there. So that is what I did to the rest of the images right over here. So as you can see on this artboard, I have my color palette right here, and I did the first example that I showed it to you guys. As you can see, this one right here, that is the combination right here. Okay, so when you are done, make sure you pick these icons or flat icons or flat image, the ones you like, and then make sure you group them. Okay, this one is grouped already, so you select and then position it the way you like. You can rotate it, you can do whatever you want to do with it, it depends on you. All right, so with this, what you do next is to select each and every one of them and then color it to the way you want it to look like. Okay, so when you are done with this, the coloring, make sure you select all the shapes that you have colored and then right click on it to group them. so that you can move them freely. All right, so after deleting the remaining, I'll select this one that we just created and then go to objects, select pattern, and then click on make. Okay, so the tile type is how your pattern will look like or be arranged. And then so we have grade, we have bricks by row, we have bricks by column, we have hex by column, we have hex by row. So I'll go for grade. Yes, grade looks perfect on the, so I'll pick 5 by 5, and then let's see. When you are done, click on done. So right now we just select this one right here and then move it sideways like this, and then we will go for the rectangle too. Make sure you draw a rectangle. I'll change the color after this. After drawing the rectangle, let's change the color from this one to this color. After that, go to your swatches, then you find the new palette tool, click on it, and guys, here we go. This is our new pattern that we just created in Adobe Illustrator with the help of AI generated images. So this one can be done perfectly for a branch. When you are doing branch design for somebody or for a client, you just need to put in the right words in the AI and then generate it perfectly for the work. Okay, so that is it guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time in my next tutorial. Bye bye.